welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable scroll lock on Excel. So all you have to do now, open your Excel. Unfortunately I only have spreadsheet, but this is the example. If you install the Excel, if you move your arrow button at your keyboard, you cannot move per cell like this. If you move the arrow, it becomes like this. So to enable to move per cell, all you have to do is turn off scroll lock by on-screen keyboard here. So you can disable scroll lock and try to move your arrow key on your keyboard, and it should be like this. It should be working like this, so you can move a per cell or per row with arrow key. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.